Hello there everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's quick video, you are going to see how to delete Discord account. So to do that, let's head over to let me show you the steps. So if you have made up your mind and you wish to permanently delete your account, you can do so by taking the steps I'm going to tell you by going to your browser or desktop client. Go to user settings and then go to my account, and once you are there, head over to account removal and then tap on account deletion. For the deletion to work, you will need to take care of a few things first. If you are a server owner, you'll need to either delete the server or transfer the ownership. Once you have passed off the keys to your castles, you can go ahead and initiate the deletion. You'll be asked to enter your password along with your 6-digit 2FA code and to press that delete account button one last time to complete your deletion. And if you're not using a two-factor authentication, you will not be asked to enter a code. So your password of the last layout of delete account will look like this. Like, are you sure that you want to delete your account? This will immediately log out of your account and you will not be able to log in again. So you have to give your password one last time and tap on delete account, and then your account will be deleted permanently. Hope this video will help you out, and we will see you in the next video.